What is charge? Charge is defined as the additional property of matter due to which the electrostatic force exists between two elementary particles except neutron. That is, चार्ज को हम ऐसे डिफाइन कर सकते हैं कि चार्ज किसी पदार्थ का वह अतिरिक्त गुण है, वह एडिशनल प्रॉपर्टी है जिसके कारण एलिमेंट्री पार्टिकल्स के बीच इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स एग्जिस्ट करता है न्यूट्रॉन को छोड़ करके। तो हम लोग चार्ज को कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे? चार्ज इज द एडिशनल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मैटर ड्यू टू विच एन इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स एग्जिस्ट्स between two elementary particles except neutron. There are two types of charges, positive charge and negative charge. Experimentally, we know that when glass rod is rubbed with silk cloth, then glass rod acquires positive charge and silk cloth acquires negative charge. One electron carries 1 unit negative charge, and its value is minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. And one proton carries 1 unit positive charge. Its value is also the same, but sign is negative. Sign is positive, sorry. One proton carries 1 unit positive charge and its value is plus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Charge is denoted by Q. In SI system, its unit is coulomb. प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ चार्जेज, चार्ज की प्रॉपर्टी क्या है? चार्ज का प्रॉपर्टी क्या है? फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी है कि सेम चार्जेज रिपेल ईच अदर. फॉर एग्जांपल, पॉजिटिव चार्ज रिपेल्स द पॉजिटिव चार्ज एंड नेगेटिव चार्ज रिपेल्स द नेगेटिव चार्ज. प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 2, ऑपोजिट चार्जेज अट्रैक्ट ईच अदर. फॉर एग्जांपल, नेगेटिव चार्ज अट्रैक्ट्स द पॉजिटिव चार्ज एंड पॉजिटिव चार्ज अट्रैक्ट्स द नेगेटिव चार्ज. Property number 3, quantization of charge. It means the charge contained by any body is equal to the integral multiple of charge of electron. That is Q equal to plus minus small n small e, where small e equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power 19 coulomb charge and n small n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dot dot dot. But at macroscopic level, the grainy nature of charge disappears. In this case, we can ignore the quantization of charge at large scale level. Next property, additive nature of charge. We know that charge is a scalar quantity. Therefore, total charge contained by the body is also equal to the algebraic sum of all the charges distributed in different parts of the body. This is called the additive nature of charge. Next property, conservation of charge. We know that charge can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can only be transferred from one body to another body. That is, we can say that the total charge of an isolated system is always conserved. For example, let us take two neutral bodies. Therefore, total charge of the two neutral bodies is 0, and when we rub these two bodies, then after rubbing, let us suppose that two electrons jump from first body to second body. Therefore, 2 unit positive charge appears on the first body and 2 unit negative charge appears on the second body. But when we add these two charges, then the total charge equal to प्लस 2 स्मॉल ई प्लस और ब्रैकेट के अंदर माइनस 2 स्मॉल ई. फिर यह टोटल चार्ज इक्वल टू 0. हियर वी से दैट टोटल चार्ज बिफोर रबिंग इक्वल टू टोटल चार्ज आफ्टर रबिंग. दिस इज द कंजर्वेशन ऑफ चार्ज. नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी, इनवेरिएंट नेचर ऑफ चार्ज ड्यूरिंग मोशन. when electron or any charge body is in motion, then the magnitude of charge does not change during the motion. ये प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ चार्जेज है. थैंक यू.